First in the kit is the RV-2400. This unit will be going up on the roof inside your pre-installed TV antenna and will be boosting host Wi-Fi signals like you might find in campgrounds or KOAs. It comes with its own quick start manual, 2 screws, and a zip tie for quick and easy installation. The other unit in the kit is the RV-2458, which you'll install inside your coach in the living area. It has the same basic functions as a typical Wi-Fi router you might be familiar with in your home, but has the added ability to accept boosted signals from the RV-2400 on the roof. Along with the unit in the box is a quick start manual, 2 mounting screws, and the replacement plate you'll be needing during installation. To install both units, the tools you'll be needing are a Phillips head screwdriver and something to cut with like a pair of scissors or wire cutters. In this section, we'll be showing how easy it is to install the RV-2400 inside the factory roof antenna. Begin by removing the 4 screws around the base. When that's finished, lay the antenna housing gently to one side, and keep in mind that the TV coax cable will already be attached up inside the dome, so you won't want to pull too hard. Place the RV-2400 into the pre-made slot in the base with the curved side of the housing facing the center support post. Then secure the unit using the 2 included screws. When the screws are firmly in place, attach the Ethernet cable into the port on the RV-2400. Power is supplied to the RV-2400 using Power over Ethernet, so there's no need for a dedicated power cable. Secure the supplied zip tie around the Ethernet cable to provide extra security and strain relief once the antenna housing has been resealed. Lower the antenna housing back onto the base. Once the 4 screws have been replaced, the roof portion of the install is finished and you can head down into the living area. To install the RV-2458, begin by removing the 2 screws from the factory wall plate with the yellow Wi-Fi sticker. Behind the plate, you'll find the attached power and Ethernet cables for the unit. Cut the zip tie holding the cables on the plate. Use caution while doing so to avoid injury or damage to the cables. You can discard the stock wall plate and screws when finished. The new pass-through plate comes with its own screws. Once you've passed the Ethernet and power cables through the hole in the plate, mount it to the wall. Now it's time to mount the RV-2458. Using the included screws, put the unit in a location that will allow enough room for the power and Ethernet cables to reach the base. Bear in mind that the antennas will give their best performance when mounted in a vertical position. Once everything's in place, you can hit the power button, which will power both units on simultaneously. This completes the install, and you're now ready to begin your Wi-Fi configuration.